This is the final assembly video, which will probably be multiple parts because we're going to attach the monkey bar assembly, the slides, and then we have to put the crayon poles on the playground. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put the monkey bar assembly on this right here. So we are going to create a new assembly called, so save as, this is going to be final assembly. And we're going to place the platform assembly and the monkey bar assembly in the same file. And we want to connect, so you have this little gap here. This is going to go away from the main platform. So this part needs to be attached right here. So we're going to constrain using mate. We're going to constrain this part of the monkey bar assembly to this face of the main platform. I hit apply. We're going to flush the top, so this will straighten it up. So flushing the top with the top, and then flushing the side with the side. It's not centered, so we're going to center it. And in order to center this with the main platform, the offset, which is right here, is going to be 18 inches. So we type 18, it puts it in the center, hit apply, and close, home. And just check to see how this thing is working. Shouldn't fall apart, so it does not. And we have this part finished.